ready when you are.
Hi, I'm here to show you how to switch out the pump in a Cure dispenser. The first thing you want to do is take out the dowel pins. The dowel pins are what attaches the outer tube to the pump. To take those out, we want to get a small precision screwdriver and just hammer those out. You put it directly over the dowel pin and you hammer and it pushes through. There we have one. We go to the other side and we do the same thing. Here's the other dowel pin. You take the pump out. There's an O-ring at the top of the pump that you want to take off. And you want to put that on the new pump. There's a place for it that it goes very easily fits into. Then you want to put the pump in the tube. We use a little bit of super lube or synthetic grease. It just makes putting the pump in a little easier. It should still work without it. It just won't slide in quite so easily. Then you want to take the pump, you want to line it up, make sure the lever's going in the right direction. One of the most important things is to make sure that the O-ring does not bend as you're inserting it. So you just want to make sure your fingers are around it. And as you insert it, if any part of the O-ring comes up, you just want to make sure that it goes in smoothly. Then what you want to do is you want to line up the holes of the pump and the outer tube. I oftentimes will take a smaller precision screwdriver and just put it in to make sure it's lined up, the holes are lined up. Then you want to put the dowel pins back in. The easiest way to reinsert the dowel pins is to use an arbor press. That's this tool right here. It's big, but it's actually pretty inexpensive, retailing for less than $60. And then if you use the arbor press, you literally just press it down and insert the dowel pin. You can also use the hammer. It's a little bit harder and it doesn't always go right in, but you can actually just hammer the dowel pin right back into place. The last thing you're going to want to do is just test to make sure that the O-ring did go in properly. You just want to put some water in and make sure there's no leaking. You'll see right away if the O-ring was a little bit bent, it could have leaking, and then you just want to do it over. But we just tested at the end just to make sure, and then your pump is replaced. Thanks.